guys! Hindi ko pa kayo nakausap but we're in Bali. So right now we're in Ulundano Temple. Second stop na namin to for the day actually. Malamig, para kami sa Baguio. Nag-ano na kami, nag-ATV kami sa Ubud. So now we are in Bedugul. So it's already 3:43. We have until 5 p.m. to look around and take some pictures. Papatasan your friends ko na mga nagbi-video din. Look, it's so pretty here. Look. Here are my friends, guys.
Hi, vlog!
Ngayon lang kayo nakita. Nasa Bali na kami.
Kasi hirap na hirap kaming mag-unpack.
Yeah. Kanina kasi, ang hirap maglabas ng camera kasi basa-basa and madumi.
And nakakahiya kay Kuya. Lagi namin siyang may nakakalimutan.
Oo.
Buwan na naman sa likod.
Kaya ngayon ko lang kayo nilabas. Welcome to Burnham Park. It's so pretty here. Ay! We are here in the chocolate factory. It smells so good here. So this is the factory. Ano to? Mukhang haluan. Mix. Let's go, let's taste. Molder. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Oh, ganda niyang pang souvenir. Souvenir pang pasalubong. Pero mahal. Okay, let's try the oat milk. Paano ko naman ito iyan? Dyan kayo. Oat milk.
Let me get coffee.
Oh, ang sarap ng oat milk. Mahilig ko kasi sa chocolate. Lahat yan masarap. Caramel crunch. Masyadong madamis yung caramel crunch. Pero may crunch siya. So, masaya siya kainin. So, here's our villa. We're staying at Samis Canggu. Here in Canggu. Ito yung parang pool area, obviously. And then, yung room namin is on the second floor. There's a full-size mirror here. Yeah. So, we're going upstairs. I think we booked this for like 7 days. Or 6 days. And then, 18K for 3 packs. Good deal na siya, I think. Here's our room. Nandyan si Leira. So, here's our room. Pagpasok mo, dito na agad yung cabinet. And then, here's the bathroom. Malaki siya. Yun nga lang, hindi separate yung toilet and bath. So, one business at a time lang. And then, when you enter here, huwag nyo napansinin kasi kaka-check-in lang namin. It's already, hindi nyo kita, 7:34 p.m. Here's our luggages. So, itong mga gamit na namin yan. Ayan. So, we have 2 beds. This one and isa dun sa taas. Iakit ko kayo later. Pero wait lang. Here's our veranda. Ayan. May sampayan in case basa pa yung mga bikini. Bed here will be our dirty bed. Like yan yung pag-lounging lang or getting ready. Anything and everything except sleeping. So, let's go upstairs. Here. Just another bed. Dito kami matutulog para malinis siya. And also, when you go here in Bali, ito yung socket. Pero kami, we just borrowed. I think makikita natin yung full potential ng room tomorrow when it's bright. Gabi na kasi. Ay, nagulat ako sa'yo! Parang ang multo! So, yeah. That's it. Ano nang gagawin natin, Faith?
We're gonna be heading out to get dinner.
Yes. Bye! Good morning, guys. It's March 27, 1:20 a.m. Naniwala na lang kayo sa akin. Honestly, hindi pa ako nakakatulog. Pero, wala tayong magawa because it's an early day today. Kasi we will do the Mount Batur Jeepney Sunrise Tour. So, yeah. Gusto ko sana kayong chikahin about this Bali tour. Kasi hindi ko kayo sinama sa airport. Nakita niyo kanina nasa Ulundana Temple na. So, I'll be doing my makeup and chatting with you. Kahapon kami dumating here sa Bali around I think mga 8:30 a.m. Dapat lalabas pa kami kahapon, yun yung sinabi ko sa inyo. But, umulan kasi sakto pag palabas na kami ng accommodation. So, ayun. Nag-McDo na lang kami kagabi na hindi ko na naipakita. Kasi I was so hungry. So, now I'm doing my makeup in front of you guys. First time ko ata itong ginawa kasi ngayon lang ako hindi masyado nagmamadali. So, for my sunscreen, I'll be using this sample size na Hyaluronic Moist Sunscreen from Innisfree. Freebie lang to dun sa pinabenta ni Mingyu na skincare. So, about that much. Kita nyo ba? Hindi ko kasi nakikita eh. Hindi ko nakikita yung sarili ko. So, hopefully you can see me. And then, for my base, this is what I'm using. Medyo madudumi yung makeup ko. Kaya hindi ako gumagawa ng itong makeup. At hindi rin ako magaling mag-makeup. I just know how to do it on my face. So, this is what I'm using for my face. At malamok pala dito guys sa area namin. It's in Canggu. Partida Canggu na to. Canggu is like urbanized area. Unlike Ubud na talagang surrounded with greeneries. So, yeah. I forgot to mention, but the shade is Sand Beige. Yeah, that's what I'm using. At hindi rin ata maganda yung lighting ko for makeup. But, I know naman na this shade matches me well. So, oh my gosh, it looks yellow on camera, but trust, in person, match naman siya. And then for my lashes, I'm using Shiseido na curler. I thought that wala namang difference kasi it's all eyelash curler, but there is a difference. Mas nasasakop niya yung mata ko.
Ay, pero ako siya Shiseido yun.
Yes. Yeah, ay, hindi ko nasabi. This is what I'm using for my nose contour. Sobrang disgusting yung natignan. But it's the Clay Pen No Budge color ng Detail.
Alam mo ba, I have that pala.
Ah, anong shade? Same lang?
Forgot.
Hindi ko na ipapakita. Dito lang siya sa malayo kasi
Hindi ko na siya magamit kasi parang
Natuyo.
nasira na yung cup niya into yun.
ah.
Pero I have the highlighter pa niya.
Oh. Kapag gagamit kayo ng specific na clay pen na yan, you have to work fast kasi ang bilis mag-set.
Skirts.
So,
Kaya pag nasira yung cup,
wala na. It's
Bye
over. And then for my brows, I'm using Benefit na Precisely My Brow Wax. Yeah. Hindi na ako nag-fill in kasi kumakapal masyado yung kilay ko eh.
yun pala hindi ko napagawa. Pwede ba mo pa?
May pang-ahit ka?
Yeah.
Let's go. Ako yung taga-kilay sa amin. Hindi ko alam kung totoo bang marunong ako mag-kilay or ako lang yung naunang natuto sa friend group namin. So, they trust me.
No,
With their
galing siya.
brows.
Bilinis tingnan yung kilay ko. Nagsimula na ang alarm ni
Mascara.
Mira Marie.
Tignan natin kung makakailong tunog bago siya makabangon. And then, for my mascara, I'm using the Heroin Make Volume Up Mascara. And then, for my eyeliner, I'm using the Graph Ink Liner from Careline. Ayan lang. Ay, magaan pala. Mag-blush. With this what I'm using. Air Blush in Girl Crush. Beb, gising na!
Bakit? No, madali ka usap.
For my lips, this is what I'm gonna use. It's in the shade Miniskirt. I don't usually use yung ganitong color. Yung para medyo nasa violet-ish. Pero sabi ng kapatid ko, bagay daw sa akin. I don't know kung inuuto niya ako or gusto niya rin tong shade na to. And so, pag inuto niya ako, magagamit niya din. So, yeah. Ito. This is what I use pala to set. Sobrang dumi niya. Ang dugyot kasi nung ano eh. Hindi ko sinabi. But it's the Get Ready With Me Life Proof Fixing Spray. Usually, ginagamit to pag wala pa kayong mascara. But, it's whatever now.
Bakit dapat walang mascara?
Para hindi mag-run yung mascara mo. Be, bumaba ka na! Here's the final look. Bye guys! See you later. So now we're doing Fate's eyebrow spread. Dyan lang kayo sa malayo kasi makikita nyo and yung face niya at di pa siya ready.
Yeah, pero pa lang. Bawal yun.
Yan! That's 500 pesos.
Ay! Wala ba?
11. 11,000.
How much is this?
11,000.
11,000. Okay.
I think I want to give as gift. Neat. Para makita na. This is 4x4. Yeah, 4x4.
Oh
para
my
makita
gosh.
sa Mount Batur. And it's
So
so
cold.
cold. I feel so happy right now na I'm here and I'm with the friends. Nakakaiyak!
Here's our food here. Nasa ano na kami guys? Nasa taas na kami.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm having
Thank you so much.
me seda up cup,
Tara na.
soto, and eggs.
With the egg. Oh, the
Hi guys, it's already 6:22 AM, so may araw na. Sabi ko sa inyo maganda yung makeup ko yun. So right now, we're taking pictures. We're in Mount Batur.
Ay, akala ko
We're in-
umakit kami dito para manood ng sunrise.
Then nagpicture lang
Ito
kami,
pala
guys.
yung view.
Ganun. Here's what it looks like right now. Madami din daw mga van. Kanya-kanya ng picture kasi
Pag maglalagay ka ng music, magsasakto siya sa mounting. Or unless yung kala...
hey guys, we're now here in the Black Lava. Parang kami dumaan ng Mars.
And we are the Martians.
Yes. Di na kami Balinese. Martians na kami.
I'm still a Balinese.
Yeah. Look. Looky. Wow. Sorry guys, alog-alog na kayo kasi honestly kanina pa ako naalog eh.
Be careful to drink ginger. Yeah, that is spicy.
Spicy.
I don't like ginger though. Can I skip?
It is spicy. Okay, so after tasting yung mga free, we will now taste the Luwak coffee. Yung parang specialty nila.
Hope coffee. Ano naman?
It's very strong. Yung luwak kasi guys is the animal, and the animal eats Robusta and Arabica beans, but the best quality only. And then, hindi nila yung nadadigest, pero na-ferment din sa tiyan nila. So, pag nilabas nila yon, it still looks like beans, but it has its own
Cells of
covering.
covered skin.
So, wala siyang poop talaga. I chose this one kasi flat siya, so we can put engravings sa loob. And at the same time, medyo cute yung design. Right here, okay.
Kan tulis siya.
What does this do? Make it shiny?
No, lamot na pa na.
Soft.
Yeah.
Okay. So, we're done creating the rings. Parang akong Duterte nito. Here's the ring. And then, inside, had engraved Bali 2025. And, ano siya, 650 yung class, inclusive of 8 grams of silver. In Ubud. Yan jewelry. Tama ba? Yan jewelry. Yan gold and silver smith. Good morning guys. It's March 28. Punta kami sa breakfast in Copenhagen. Tomorrow is Nyepi Day, so medyo na-stress kami kung paano yung food kasi sarado lahat. Like buong... Dito pala yun! Sikat na pagawaan ng nails. Grabe parang dikit-dikit lang pala dito, no? So, kung dadaanan mo siya ng isang diretsyo, makikita mo lahat ng mga hinahanap mo.
Maliban sa
Kanin. Namigalan naman here, pero ano, dun sa pupuntahan namin ngayon wala. But anyway, so yeah, last night nag-dinner lang kami sa isang warung. Hindi na ako nag-vlog. So, hindi mo kita yung incident yesterday. Ano nga ang incident? Nag-awit tayo. Ah, akala ko nag-awit tayo.
Gaga.
Ayun guys, supposedly we're going to for like Instagram, hindi yung Instagram places, pero Instagram tour kasi yung tawag dun, kasi yun yung super sikat sa Instagram na places like Tirtaganga, yung Kretia, but yun, hanggang 1 PM lang yung Ubud, yung Kretia. Tapos wala pang access sa pool. So parang ba't ba kami pupunta? So nakapag-away kami dun sa manager at sa KKday para i-cancel. Kasi hindi na pwedeng i-cancel. Tapos kasalanan nila yun. Kasi nung nag-book kami, hindi namin alam about the Nyepi Day. Pero nung nalaman namin yung Nyepi Day, kinonfirm namin sa kanila if tuloy pa rin. At nandito na kami. Wait lang.
Ay, ito na.
So we're seated now. Hindi na alam kung anong mangyayari. Kasi parang siyang Subway guys. So you have to choose the bread and then the protein and then the vegetables that hindi niyo ako naririnig. Ayoko na. Ngayon sa beach kami. Tapos may nagsusuntukan. Tignan niyo. Like nagdo-document. We are in Pantai Mundok Katu Beach here in Bali. Hi guys! Dito kami ngayon sa kalsada. Because we're waiting for the Ogo-Ogo Parade. Which is parang inline siya sa Nyepi Day. Ano siya, religious event nila. So, yeah. Hala!
Parang mo si ano.
Hindi na siya makahinga. I just got home. Nanood kami ng Ogo-Ogo, but hindi na namin tinapos kasi ang tagal namin nakatayo na, tapos ang tagal nag-start. So, I think we were only able to watch around 40 minutes lang nung performance. Then we went home na kasi sabi super tagal daw nun and I don't know, hindi ko na kaya. So, today is March 28. 29 is Nyepi Day, and then the 30th, we will be having our last tour. Last full day na rin namin siya here in Bali. We will do Nusa Penida. So, that's a separate island pa here in Bali. Yeah. Tapos, full day yon. So, I think, mga gabi na uli kami makakarating. And then, 31 is flight na namin papunta ng Singapore because yung pauwi namin, dadaan ng Singapore, may layover na 12 hours. So, Nyepi Day, walang pwedeng lumabas ng accommodation. The whole island of Bali will shut down. So, every food establishment, any kind of establishment, kahit mga convenience store, sarado talaga. Ayun, bumili na kami ng food kanina sa Warung, Varuna. Good morning guys, it's Nyepi Day today. So, dito lang kami sa accommodation. Here's my food. Dami niya. This is white rice, mee goreng. I don't know, pero chicken yung meat. And then, vegetables. So, yeah, dito lang kami sa hotel buong araw. We have the pool naman to enjoy. I'm gonna eat my breakfast now. My very big breakfast. Yung warung nila, it's parang Food Panda siya kasi Food Panda, parang siyang Panda Express. Like, you choose the meat, you choose the vegetables. Nagmama-cookies kami kahapon. Hindi ko alam kung napakita ko siya. Nag-take out kami ng cookies. So, we'll warm it up later. Hi guys, today is March 30. It's 7:53 a.m. Hindi ko na napakatingin namin kahapon kasi nag-ano lang naman kami. Nag-swim lang kami sa pool. Today we are going to Nusa Penida. Nasa fast boat na kami going to Nusa Penida. Medyo bothered ako kasi madilim yung langit. Pero dito naman kasi yun. Lalabas kami ng Bali. Mainland Bali. So mapakita.
Hi!
Hey guys, we're here in Sam's Farm. Done na kami sa Nusa Penida tour namin. Hindi na ako nakapag-kita kasi sobrang init, sobrang nakakapagod siya. But anyway, here's my food. I ordered their nasi goreng and I have their, anong tawag dito? Hindi ko maalala yung term, pero that's their traditional coffee. And then here's Faith's dessert, tiramisu, and mochaccino.
No, I ordered the hazelnut macchiato.
Okay, hazelnut macchiato, and for her, it's cappuccino. Kasi siya ay
Basic bitch.
so they have wet towels for the hands.
Yes.
Let's taste the coffee first. When you order pala yung hot coffee, may kasama siyang biscuit.
Ay, natapos ta? O natapos lang?
Hindi ko alam.
Ang pait.
Ang lakas.
Ang kape. Ang tapang.
Yeah.
Mukhang may alas 5 hindi na matutulog bukas.
Ay, dire-diretso na hanggang Singapore. So, hopefully, makatulog kami ng maayos tonight kasi yun na yung last tulog namin. Hi guys, we're already here in Singapore. Ang dami na nangyari. And we are eating sweet churro. Ay, ayan. Yan yung mga nagparami ng nangyari kanina. Hindi, ako yung main character kanina. So, yun. So, we ordered steamed pork ribs, siomai, hakaw, and fried rice. Dito kami kumain sa airport kasi
mayaman kami.
hindi, in-announce kasi kanina habang nasa Jewel kami na may thunderstorms daw. So, nabrokot na agad ang girls. So, sabi namin, kakain na kami dito para
Kakuha na lang. Thunderstorm ba?
ayun. Oo, busog kami kahit tama kami ng kidlat. Hindi. Tapos ayun. Ang plan na lang naman namin, actually we only have 12 hours here. Na-traffic pa kami kayo dun sa baggage counter. Sa baggage storage. Nag-iwan kasi kami ng baggage storage kasi yung check-in namin nasa papunta ng Manila.
Higit na ako.
However, yung hand carry, hindi naman namin pwedeng dalhin sa buong Singapore kasi nakakangalay naman yun. So, iniwan namin yun. Tapos, each hand carry na below 10 kilograms yung weight is 11 Singaporean dollars. Wala ako sa focus. Adjust na lang kayo. Naglalaway na ako. Gutom na ako. Ayun, $11. Ano siya? 471 pesos. Tapos card payment siya, by the way. So yeah, I'll show you later kung kaya. Kasi nga baka umulan. Hindi ko naman mabasa yung camera ko para lang maipakita sa inyo. Sino ba kayo? Hindi nga kayo nag-like ng video.
Hindi ka man battery.
Joke lang. Sige na.
Hindi nga ako monetize.
Kung hindi ito monetize eh, kawang gawa natin.